You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball.
This video I want to show you how to make another way to make a ruffle headband. I have my fabric. This is Dutchess fabric. You can use satin, you can use any fabric of choice like I usually say. I have my UHU glue, my thread and needle, matching color of thread and needle, my measuring tape, I have my Alice band, and I have my glue gun to work with. I'll also be needing a sewing machine just for knit finishing purposes, okay? So let's get started. The first thing to do is to cut out the pieces of fabric required, and I have 2 pieces cut out. This is the first fabric, which is what we're going to be using to make our ruffles. The measurement is 7 inches width by the length 60 inches. 7 inches width by the length 60 inches. All right, and I have another piece of fabric, which is the one we're going to be using to wrap our headband. I didn't measure, okay? It depends on what will be enough to wrap your headband, and the width is about 3 inches. All right, so this is the right side of this particular fabric facing up. I'm going to fold in half this way, and I'm going to sew from this end to the other end by a 1/4 inch. Okay, by a 1/4 inch I'm going to sew. This is the piece for us to wrap our headband, all right, our Alice band. So I'm going to use my safety pin to turn the right side out. And I'm going to iron this out, okay, just to make it neater and smooth. Now to the next step. Next step is for us to wrap our headband with this piece of fabric using my glue. And make sure you're stopping on top of the headband, not under, because the under part has to be knit. This upper part of the headband will still be covered, you understand? So I'm just trimming it off here, and use your glue to secure it. Like this. Make sure it ends on the upper part of your band. Now, over to the piece we're going to be using to make the ruffles. Like I said earlier, the measurement is 7 inches by 60 inches. The right side is facing up, so I'm going to fold into 2 this way. I'm going to sew from here this way. Can you see from here this way? I sew like that. I sew it like that. I leave an opening here and continue sewing like that to the end and this way. Okay, now I've sewn it, and and this is what I have. I'm going to, this is the opening here for me to turn the right side of this piece of fabric out. So I'll just turn the right side out. And this is what we have. I'm going to bring the seam to the side. Okay, to the side like this, to the side. If you like, you can just iron this, but don't make it too flat. I'm using a light fabric, so I don't want it to be too flat. Now I'm going to start sewing the stitches from this end to the other end like this. So I'll sew my new stitches from one end to the other end, and I pulled to form gathers like this. Can you see? Check if the length you have now is actually okay for you. Can you see? So I think it's okay for me, and I'm going to, I'll just tack it right here.